of Odisha is very rich in mines and minerals. In addition to that, Odisha has huge potential for human resource development. But in spite of huge potential, sir, the state has many underdeveloped areas, particularly the western part of Odisha. Sir, in the very close proximity of world's famous Hirakud Dam, the first engineering college of Odisha was formed, which is in the name of University College of Engineering, Bulla, in the year 1956. And presently, it has been a state unitary technical university named as Bir Surendra Sai University of Technology since 2009. And it has UGC recognition too, sir. The present student strength of this institution is 5,000 plus, sir. And the top rankers of the state are preferring this particular university for their technical education. It offers 11 undergraduate courses, sir, 34 postgraduate courses, and 16 PhD programs, sir. It has produced 30,000 alumni who are serving the nation and abroad in a responsible way since its inception. The institute is within the vicinity of the industrial belt, mines and other institutions of higher learning like the Samalpur University, the Medical College, the Indian Institute of Management, IIT, NIT, and Agriculture University. It is well connected by road, rail, and air, sir. We have a airport also near the institution. My